You're literally wasting your time. What's up, YouTube? In this video, we're going to talk about why a savings account is basically a waste of time. Now, before you guys come at me, I know that saving money is crucial, but there are a lot better ways to save money and make more money while doing it. So let's just get right into it. The number one reason why your savings account is a waste of time is because the interest rate is so low. You're not even beating inflation. The average interest rate for a savings account is 0.41%. The main point behind a savings account is to obviously keep your money safe. Now, a lot of people, they see this and they think, oh, I can't possibly lose money, so let me put my money right into a savings account and then I'll be safe and secure. Wrong. Even though the money in your savings account is going up each month, barely, the actual value of your money is going down. And let me tell you why. Inflation. In the United States, the average interest for a savings account is 0.41% each year. Meanwhile, the average inflation rate in the United States is 2.9%. So while your money is growing at 0.41%, the cost of everyday things are getting 2.9% more expensive each year. So if my math is correct, that means each year it's costing you 2.49% just to keep your money in a savings account. Every day, the cost of things are going up. Meanwhile, your money isn't going up at the same rate. You're not going to win like that. The second reason why your savings account is a waste of time is because there are simply better investment opportunities out there. The S&P 500 has returned an average of 10% in its history. Now compare that to the 0.41% we were just talking about in the savings account. It's a no-brainer. In fact, let's do the math on that. Let's say that we have $1,000 in our savings account and we want to hold that for 10 years. Now, like we said earlier, the average interest rate for every savings account in the United States is 0.41%. So let's take that $1,000, hold it for 10 years at 0.41%. Let's see how much money that will make. At the end of 10 years, our savings account would have earned us a whopping $41.76. Bruh. What are we gonna do with that after 10 years? That means that after holding that $1,000 in a savings account for 10 years, we can barely fill up our tank with what we earned with that. Now, let's look at the same calculation, but let's use the S&P 500. So this means that we're gonna take our $1,000 and we're gonna put it in the S&P 500 for an average rate of 10% each year for 10 years. So this means we're gonna take our $1,000 and instead of putting it in a savings account for 0.41%, we're gonna put it in the S&P 500 for 10%. Let's see how much money we'll make in the S&P 500 after 10 years. Look at that. After 10 years, your money in the S&P 500 should have made you $593 on average. Now you tell me, which one would you prefer, the $593 or the $41? Keep in mind, this is not financial advice, and yes, there are financial risks that comes with putting your money in the S&P 500, but if your money is losing value in the savings account based on inflation, why not take the risk and put your money in the S&P 500 anyway based on its historical 10% rate? The third reason why savings accounts are a waste of time is because banks are literally using your money and using you. Here's something the average person does not know. Banks are not just holding your money, they're lending it out. When you put a lot of money in a bank in a savings account, they're not just gonna keep it in there doing nothing. They lend it out to people like you, like me, like banks, like other companies, like people who are trying to buy real estate, and they let that money work for them. They lend that money out at a high interest rate, and that money makes them a ton of money at the end of the day, while you get pennies on the dollar. So let's get this straight. It's your money that you worked hard for, and they're making more money on it than you. You're literally the middleman at the end of the day. This is how banks make the majority of their money. As for the fourth reason why savings accounts are a waste of time, there are just simply better options out there. There are high yield savings accounts which return an average of 4 to 5%, which clearly beat that 0.41%. Like we mentioned in part number 2, you can put your money into an ETF or index fund and make an average of 10% each year. You can even put your money into real estate or a side hustle that you're working on to better yourself. Now again, this is not financial advice at all. Do whatever you want to do. But I just think that the traditional savings account has lost its value. For me, the main benefit of a savings account today is to basically just keep 3 to 6 months of expenses in there just in case you fall on hard times. If you're a beginner and you want to learn more ways of how to invest your money, be sure to watch my most recent video. I'll leave a link down below in the description, and it basically teaches you stock market for beginners. Also, if you like this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe, because on this channel I talk about investing and finance, and I make it so simple just so that the everyday person can understand it. Other than that, peace.